Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your Moto model and Android version so you know which menus to expect. Once done, make sure the SIM is active and you have at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Now open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then select SIMs or Mobile Network. You need to reach the carrier and network type controls. This is where Android exposes preferred network options. Take these steps deliberately. Small differences in menus depend on software version. Next, you dive into the network settings to change the radio preference. Tap the SIM you want to modify, then choose Advanced or the Network Access section. Manufacturers label it differently. Find Preferred Network Type or Network Mode, because that control tells the modem which generations to use. Select LTE/4G only for strict 4G, or 4G/3G/2G auto to prefer 4G while allowing fallback. Make the selection. Finish by restarting the phone so the modem fully re-registers under the new preference. You'll often see the 4G icon after reboot. If you don't get 4G, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh attach. This is quicker than multiple menu taps. Make sure your plan supports LTE and that you're in 4G coverage. If problems persist, test another SIM or contact the carrier, because network provisioning or local outages are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.